and welcome back to my channel. So today I am super excited because I get to show you guys the Projo PLUS, which, all right, you guys know for the past couple of months I have been absolutely obsessed with my Projo. I've been using it for all of my project planning and it has just really been helping me get stuff done. So Claire of Minimal Plan, who is the inventor of the Projo, as you might know, she asked me if I would be interested in showing you guys a look into the Projo PLUS so you could see kind of what is going to come with it and also hear my thoughts about it. So as you can see, I've taken out of the envelope that she mailed it to me in, but I haven't actually even opened this yet. So I'm gonna give you guys a little peek. So the idea behind the Projo PLUS is that each Projo, the P book specifically, is 3 months long. So you basically get 1/4 of the year in a particular notebook, and that really helps you focus on that particular quarter and on the projects and the things that you really want to get done during that amount of time. But that also means that after 3 months, you're going to run out of space in the P book, and depending on how you use it, the N book as well. Now, I will tell you, my P book, I definitely will run out of space in. I haven't really used the note pages that are in the back here, but I will definitely run out of the monthlies and the weeklies because obviously I've been using it for the past 3 months. The N book, I am currently up to page 20 and it's got about 60 pages. So I think that personally when I switch over, I might actually keep my same N book as long as it's still valid and save the other ones to use for later, but I know I will need the P book. So the idea is that for those people who have decided to use the Projo system and at the end of a quarter they're ready to move on, this is a way to get your refills for the Projo, but also to get a couple of little extra things that are related to productivity, that are related to planning, and that are also themed, which I am super excited to take a look inside this first one. So you guys can see here, it's Projo PLUS #1, and it actually, Claire wrote my name in there, so oh hello Caitlin. Here I am, your Projo PLUS black envelope. What am I hiding? What surprises and inspirations do I have in store for you? Hold your breath, open me up, and find out. So let's go ahead and take a look. So I love this black envelope. It is so classy. Oh my gosh, all right, let's move on. So let's take a peek. So you've got, oops, see if I can get everything out somehow. Ooh, all right, there we go. So it's a bit tight in there, but, oh, and I literally could have done it the other way, couldn't I? Yep, okay, so we have gotten everything out of our envelope. So hold on, let me flip. Ooh, so many things. So this is kind of like a similar idea behind a subscription box, except that is going to be quarterly rather than monthly. And there's going to be a theme for each sort of season of the Projo refill, if you will. So what you have here is you have your archiving, oops, here we go. You have your archiving band, I guess, if you will, for your first one, so that once you finished your first 3 months, you then can archive it in here, and you have this so you can actually write on the side, and you have this to kind of keep it closed and nice and neat. So I accidentally bent it a little bit, taking it out of the envelope. Then you have, let's take a look first at this. So this is Projo PLUS #1. It is Spring Vibes, which is the theme for this particular section. Oops. And it's this cute little book. So you've got a quote here and then a little letter from Claire, which I'm not gonna read the whole thing so that you guys can enjoy it when you get yours. And then it explains what you have inside your Projo PLUS. So you have a refill for your Projo, so this is both P book and N book. You have an archive label, which is what we just looked at. You have 3 cheat sheets, which are, whoops, these I'm pretty sure. So we'll look at those in a second. Then you also have your inspiration. So there's a postcard, some stickers, and a bag of seeds to sow an actual blossoming meadow in your garden or on your balcony. So this, you have a little graphic of all of the things that come inside, which we're gonna take a look at everything. And then you also have your first, plant now. So you have, I'll just read the first part of this. Planting period from March to June. Flowering period from June to October. And then if you don't use the seeds immediately, keep the paper bag in a dark, dry place. So this is actually your explanation for your seeds, so you know how to actually plant them, which if you don't have a green thumb, like I don't, this is really good information. And there is another little quote on the back here and some other information, and you can contact if you have any questions. So this is your little booklet. So let's take a look at the rest of the goodies. So here, this is the pack of seeds. I'm actually not going to open it because I don't want to accidentally make a mess on my tape. Well, here. No, I think that's actually just, yeah, I think the seeds are loose in here, so I'm not going to open this because this is going to go all over my table. So if you have a garden or a planter box on your balcony, you can plant your seeds. Let's take a look. You got this little vellum envelope, stickers. Let's take a peek. Oopsie daisy. Oh, they're so cute. So, whoops. So you've got seeds of success, dreams are the seeds of change, a cute little plant, the spring vibes that was on the front of the little info packet, and plant today the seeds that will build tomorrow. So you've got these little stickers that Claire made. Oops, let's move those. And then, so here is our inspirational postcard. So you just have it, it's blank on the back, so you can stick it up on your vision board, or you could send it to somebody or what have you. So it's the plant today the seeds that will build tomorrow. And let's take a look at, all right, hold on, how do I open it? I'm so confused. What is happening with my life? Oh, here, okay, I've got it. Wow, that was a lot more complicated for me to open than I had anticipated. There we go. All right, move that to the side. So here you have your planning and productivity cards. So there's a card for time boxing, the 5 minutes list, and the smaller the better. So I'm not going to read all the cards so that you can check them out yourself, but basically you have, each card is numbered, and you've got time boxing, and it talks about what it is and then gives you a how-to on the back. You've got your 5 minutes list. I love this. So oops. So Claire's also put in this hashtag productivity for the time boxing, hashtag time management for the 5 minutes list. So again, you have an explanation and then a how-to. And the last one is take the first step. So hashtag planning and your how-to on the back here. So I am super excited to read and work on implementing those myself, which I will read them a little bit later. But if you guys get the Projo Plus, you guys will have these cards as well. And oops, this is just the little sleeve that the cards came in. One sec, let's put those back. And then you've got your Projo, which you guys, if you saw my flip through an unboxing of my Projo, it is the exact same thing. Whoops, so let's take a peek here. So yeah, that's the exact same thing, except that the one on the left is a lot dirtier than the one on the right, obviously. But the great thing about the Projo is that it is undated and all of that. So you don't have to worry if you're a little bit off in your quarters or what have you. You can still jump in and start whenever you want to. So that is a look at what is inside the Projo Plus. So if you guys are interested, I also have a code for 10% off. You can use Sunshine10. I'll link it down in the description box if you guys want to get 10% off one of your orders. So if ever you're at a period of time where there isn't another discount code, you can always use Sunshine10. So it is an affiliate link, which means that it doesn't cost you guys anything. You guys get the discount code, but from using my code, I will receive a little bit as part of a commission. So if you guys are interested at all in checking out the Projo, if you've seen me using it and you are curious to try it out yourself, the pre-sales, I believe, are currently going on, and they are meant to all start shipping out by mid-month so that you have it in time to start for April, so which is the beginning of Q2. And yeah, I am super excited to check out all of this information. I think that it's a really cool idea to do this sort of seasonally because, you know, obviously you only need your Projo renewed once every 3 months. So I love the idea of having sort of a seasonal theme to go with it and have it be related to that. And also I love the idea of getting your Projo refills with some extra goodies thrown in there that are gonna be really helpful in terms of productivity and also just like fun stuff. Like, I actually don't have a garden. I feel like I need to go and buy a pot and try and plant these seeds and see if I can maybe not kill them. This is like baby steps, guys, baby steps. But yeah, I am super excited to dive into all of this, especially these productivity cards. I'm going to be reading through these and implementing them, honestly, probably now. I'm not gonna wait for my next Projo to start working on implementing these. So, I hope you guys liked seeing this unboxing. So if you guys have any comments or questions about the Projo, either specifically for me and how I use it, leave it down in the comment section. If you're curious and you want to contact Claire, I will also leave her information so you can send her an email and ask your questions as well. But that is all I have for you guys for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hey guys, so if you've made it all the way to the end of this video and are actually watching my end screen and you're not subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you would. There's a little button right there for you to do it. And if you're interested in watching some more of my videos, I have links to 2 of my older videos off to the left there, so you can check those out if you would like to, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.